started in Pendleton, Oregon in 1909. This is a picture taken about 1916. Our primary business initially was selling blankets to the Native Americans. Sales to Indians still represent over half of our total blanket sales in the company, and that's 103 years later. So we started with blankets, and in 1924 we started making men's shirts. That plaid's still great looking today. In the late 40s, after the war, we noticed that we were selling lots of men's small shirts. Well, we were selling to women. So in 1949, we started a women's division. Women's wear has gone on to grow to be our biggest single division, with home being second and men's following in third. These are, I think, 1950s Vans shoes. So we've been doing these fun things with different brands for a lot of different years. Gnu just happens to be the newest of the collaborations.
Mervin Manufacturing is Mike Olson's sort of company. He started as a kid building boards. He built boards in his parents' garage and would go up and ride them and then rebuild them, and snowboarding was just starting.
Well, it's a long story, but I'll try to make it.
And he was a big kid and broke all his skis and made his own surfboards and skateboards, and always had to fix and repair his own equipment.
I started building snowboards in 1977.
Had the dream of surfing on the snow.
Took a one-day marketing class, and that's where I came up with the name Gnu. They told me that, I told the class, you want short words for your name.
He had to build all his own equipment, and he'd go up and build a board and then ride it, bring it back, tweak it, improve the design, and that's sort of what Mervin was founded on. And then he's added more and more people along the way, myself and our whole crew.